Good morning, class 12th. The chapter Income and Employment is in progress. Only few topics left. Maximum chapter is over. In my previous lecture, in my previous video, I explained excess demand. And today we will take deficit demand or deficient demand. It's opposite of it. What is deficient demand? When aggregate demand is less than aggregate supply at equilibrium level. इक्विलिब्रियम लेवल पे हमारी एग्रीगेट डिमांड अगर एग्रीगेट सप्लाई से कम होती है, और when current aggregate demand, current means which is prevailing in the market, current aggregate demand is less than required aggregate demand at full employment level. What does it mean? It means फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट लेवल अचीव करने के लिए जितनी डिमांड होनी चाहिए, अगर हमारी डिमांड उससे कम है, हमें फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए डिमांड कितनी चाहिए थी लेकिन मार्केट में कितनी डिमांड है, अगर वो उससे कम है, then it is known as deficit demand. This is diagram for it. This is AS, aggregate supply. This is ADR. ADR stands for required aggregate demand. This is equilibrium level. अगर हमारी डिमांड इतनी हो जाएगी तो इकोनॉमी के अंदर फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट लेवल अचीव होगा. बट व्हाट हैपेंड, हम करंट डिमांड विच इज प्रिवेलिंग इन द मार्केट इज लेस, इट इज बिलो देन ADR. दिस इज न्यू डिमांड कर आई एम टेकिंग, इट इज बिलो ADR. दिस इज ADR required. This is current. This current aggregate demand is intersecting the aggregate supply at E1. अब ये भी देख लो आप, ADS यहाँ भी इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो ये इक्विलिब्रियम लेवल तो है, बट दिस इज नॉट फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट लेवल. ये फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट लेवल नहीं है. फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट लेवल तो यहाँ आता है. तो दिस सिचुएशन इज कंसिडर्ड एज डेफिशिएंट डिमांड, और द गैप बिटवीन दीज टू इज नोन एज डिफ्लेशनरी गैप. Deflationary. When economy goes down, deflation it comes in the economy. It is known as deficit demand. Why it occurred in the economy? What are the causes of deficit demand? ऐसा क्यों होता है इकोनॉमी के अंदर कि when in economy deficit demand comes? What could be the reason for that? Number one, fall in government expenditure. जब गवर्नमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर कम करने लग जाती है, when government spend less in the economy on its development, on development means on construction of road, dams, building, etc. When government starts curtailing its expenditure to make its budget not surplus but balance, then such kind of situation occur. Because if government will not spend money in the market on the development of the country, it means more money supply will not be there. पैसा मार्केट में आएगा ही नहीं. तो how people will get more employment? If people will not get employment, their income will reduce, and if their income will reduce, they will demand less. So this is the first reason why there is a deficit demand when government start reducing or curtailing its expenditure. Number two, fall in private final consumption expenditure. When households reduces their day-to-day expenses because of their low income, जब household भी अपने खर्चों में कटौती करने लग जाते हैं, in that case what happens dear? Deficit demand comes. You can take example of these COVID-19 days where people's income of few sector may be less. And if their income is less, what do you feel? They will spend more or they will spend less? I hope your answer would be they will spend less. So if they will spend less, it means they are reducing their demand. And if they are reducing their demand, what will happen, my dear? Aggregate demand will be less. And this situation will come into deficit demand. Next is fall in investment by businessmen. Businessmen also reduces investment. Reduces here means they would not further invest in their business because demand is already less. They will not increase their production. they may curtail their current production. ये भी हो सकता है कि वो अपने current production को भी curtail करें, कम करें. तो this is how investment reduces. If investment will reduce, my dear, more employment opportunity will not generate in the business sector. And here next is maybe less money supply in the economy by RBI or by all other sectors. मनी सप्लाई भी मार्केट में क्या हो जाएगी, कम हो जाएगी. मनी फ्लो विल बी लेस. So these are the causes or reason why deficit demand occurred in the economy. Now what impact would come if deficit demand is there? क्या impact इकोनॉमी के अंदर आएगा अगर डेफिसिट डिमांड होता है? तो फर्स्ट impact is on output. Output falls. I think you all are agree. When demand is not there, businessmen are not going to increase their production. Demand is already less. It means unsold stock is in their hand, and if they have unsold stock, they will not produce further. That's why our output will fall. Number two, prices will also fall because demand is not there. Businessmen have their old unsold stock. उनके पास पहले से ही बगैर बिका हुआ माल पड़ा हुआ है. आउटपुट पहले ही कम हो गया है, डिमांड कम है, सप्लाई ज्यादा है. ऑटोमेटिकली व्हाट विल हैपन इन द इकोनॉमी? प्राइसेस विल स्टार्ट फॉलिंग. नेक्स्ट इज एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी विल बी आल्सो लेस because when businessmen are not producing more, they are not giving focus on production, so how employment will generate? Because if they increase the production, then they will use more and more factor of production. When they will use more and more factor of production, then only employment will generate. But here they are not producing more, they are producing less. It means they will utilize less factor of production, which will generate lesser and lesser employment, and economy will start going towards depression. इकोनॉमी जो है किसमें जाना शुरू हो जाएगी? डिप्रेशन में. वेयर आउटपुट इज लेस, प्राइस इज लेस, एम्प्लॉयमेंट इज लेस. So these are impacts of deficit demand. It is just opposite of excess demand. This excess demand, I discussed this topic in my previous video. Thank you very much.